are you gonna kill him?
Oh, 360!
Oh my god.
Here, I'll boost you a little bit, you know?
Dude, he
You
just
got this,
barely
huh?
touches me and I just go.
There we go, I'm driving.
I'm on my way.
Yeah, I don't have a wheel anymore.
That's fine, that's fine. Just keep it alive. Ah! Oh fuck, I crashed myself. Wait.
Come. Yes, ambulance, car, truck.
Dude, oh my god! Oh my god!
Hello.
Now, come on. What was I supposed to do? He was in a two friends were so fine.
Must have been the wind.
Don't respawn.
Ah! Oh, ah! I'm getting bullied, bro!
This it keeps happening. I kind of made it. Wait, I'm still oh, you
Save me, I got you,
God. Bro, lower that shit in the menu, please.
He can't. It's a mod. Yo, dérapage? STI?
Well, Subarus in general.
Yeah.
yeah.
Like,
Lexus.
oh shit, it reattached my bumper. No way.
Yo, attachement, bro. Oh shit.
No steering, no steering.
No steering's crazy.
Bailando, amigos, adiós, adiós, el silencio loco. Bailando, bailando, amigos, adiós, adiós, el silencio loco. Bailando, bailando, amigos, adiós, adiós, el silencio loco.
Where am I on the map? Oh, right here. Okay.
Oh my god.
Nah, like, I think that's what I'll do, cause then bitch, go faster.
I'm cruising.
Fuck out of here. And you're blocking me. Yeah, get the fuck out of here, bro. I'm going 180 now. Like,
I'm going 180, yeah. Oh my gosh.
alright, let me use my car, cause yay! Wow. Okay.
I'm about to pin maneuver you, bro. You know how.
Brake check.
Tempted.
Don't know how tempted I feel. I'm doing it.
I dated you so hard. Do that one more time. Fuck out of here, bro. Well, stop throwing that. Fuck out of here. Alright, bro, you cannot be fucking for real. You respawn right in the middle of every, and you go in my face after. Get the fuck out of here.
I was on the right. There's plenty of room on the left.
Dude, you were on the left, and then you went on the right, and then you like fucking swing to the left where I was about to go.
I did not go to the left.
I'm gonna clip this.
Oh, that you have to get like.
Yeah, I'll have to
specific
fucking
routes.
search.
I'm pretty sure it's
Design.
under.
Oh my god!
Slowest group ever.
Hey man,
I Pixinity.
we're locked in, man. We're locked in on it.
You did know
I'm
that. So, like,
Guys.
You sound like the Angry Bird guy, just like alone.
That was
Alright, Pix.
yeah.
What do you mean, yeah?
Yeah.
yeah.
Don't act like you didn't try murdering 14 people at the same time.
Good to me.
Little bump?
Wait,
Little boost?
Wait.
So we can get angle?
wait, it's still connected to me.
Dude, we're in a tandem with a bus.
Dude.
Do it, do it, do it. Can we all drift around him to see who gets the most damage?
Yeah.
Is that the fucking minivan?
Come on, come on, come on.
What the fuck are you doing here?
I just dropped to 20 FPS. What?
I know what I need. Hold on.
I never die.
I see you coming back.
Holy shit!
Fuck.
Dude.
Never mind, I cannot turn around. I'm
What are you
good.
doing, man?
Oh.
You just hung yourself, man.
Oh, that's my fucking lights going. Maybe fucking.
I'm in the ground. Okay.
What the fuck?
Get on
Oh my god, this is so much nicer to drive. It grips.
Huh?
Oh, fuck. Grip.
It's just fucking backwards.
I did. I'm really late.
Calling your friends, man.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
See you all.
Let the bed bugs bite.
Let the big bug cuddle.
Okay.
Cuddle with the bed bug.
My back bumper just fell off. I don't need it. Ouch.
Jeez.
That shit is going on for miles, man.
Yeah, infinite.
Oh.
What is up, my narco?
Anthony.
Yeah, this is. Oh! He's on fire. He's a little ball.
You were quick to use narcotics.
Peru. I see you did 17 traffic violations. You need to stop. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. I'm dead.
It was good.
Nice job.
It's
exactly.
like 11. Oh, it's
Fuck you.
Oh shit!
This is my road. I own the road. Oh my god.
Is my vehicle intimidating?
a little bit. Wait,
Hey, Squidward.
Are you kidding me?
SpongeBob.
yo, what the fuck? You will not believe where I made it. Ali, we're the counter cops. Yo,
pigs!
We gotta kill pigs.
Wait, what's... I'm on my way.
Fucking crazy crash. 4 cars got obliterated. Ta-da! The friendship.
Wow, that's
I'm trying to get out of the way for your illusion, but I'm upside down.
I will go.
I'm stuck in the ground. I'm stuck in.
Bro, where are the fucking enemies at, bro? What?
Inside.
Someone killed them all again, bro.
Dude, I did that for the
Oh, I think
Did I pop your tires on purpose?
Fell off. I wanted. Yo, bro. How are you?
Wow. Sorry, sir. Oh. What the? What the fuck?